Dad, another one! There's another one!
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:04 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Central City to Berlin to near Bittinger, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Breezewood, Bedford, Somerset, Freedoms, Myersdale, St. Clairsville, Clearville, Central City, Dinglesmith, Ogletown, Everett, Buffalo Mills, New Enterprise, Berlin, Mount Davis, Cessna, Lake Gordon, Osterburg, Pleasantville, and Saxton. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 150. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 113 to 165. Interstate 99 for mile markers 0 to 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford.